Yeah, so here we have the spray gun, we have the spray guard, we have the trigger on the spray gun, and this part here is the lock of the spray gun. We have the tip guard and the tip, and the extension wand. We have the suction trunk, and we have the return line. We have the prime valve, and of course the spray valve, the tip housing, the filter housing, and on this side we have the on and off switch and the pressure valve, and obviously the power lead there. Okay, so in this part of the video I'm going to teach you how to prime the spray gun and then pressurize it and ready to spray. For instance, we're going to use this one here for now as your product or paint. And we're going to drop the suction trunk into that bucket, and with a dirty bucket or an empty sort of bucket, we're going to use the return line into that bucket. That'll remove any water or contaminants that may be in the spray gun at this stage. So to prime the spray gun, you need the switch pointing down, the prime switch. The power point on. I'm just going to rotate the dial over and you'll hear it go. What you're going to look for is a consistent flow of your product coming out the return line. Okay, once you've reached that consistent flow of your product coming out, just rotate that dial back, and you can drop now the return line into your paint and product. It's at this point which you put the spray gun together, the handle, and it's all only hand tied. So the wand, the tip guard, and all that is only hand tied. This is an important part of the spray gun, is that the lock is on, and that lock is rotated like that and will stop you from pulling the handle. It is important that you do that every time that you work with the spray gun handle. If you were to happen to get an injection wound into your skin, it's a very serious problem and you need to get yourself to the hospital or to medical assistance very, very quickly. You can rotate this spray, the direction of the spray, by just loosening the nut here. Loosen that off and you can turn the black piece around. It's free to move while that, and once you get in the position you want it, you can then tighten it up. Okay. So the gun is now primed, and what we're going to do is switch this dial over, the black switch, to be in line with the spray gun hose. And we're now going to pressurize the spray gun by rotating that dial forward. Now for the primer of the Globalcote, you want to look at getting the dial to about 2000 psi, and you can read the pressure level on the screen on the side of the spray gun. And for the top coat itself, you'll look at doing it about 3000 psi. To achieve that, all you do is you rotate that dial, you watch the screen, it'll tell you the aim of the pressure, and you know, if you want more, you obviously turn that up. Okay, so I've now reached my desired pressure that I would like the spray gun. I'm now ready to go up on the roof and spray.